What is up, guys? ThaHyst right here. But I'm gonna get this light set up, and then we're gonna get to making a lo-fi beat. And I'm gonna show you that making a lo-fi beat is super easy. Like, you don't even need to overthink anything. Seriously, just watch.
All right, now we got the light working. Back here, let's make a easy lo-fi beat. I'm gonna show you how simple this is. For real, it's really not that hard. And I am actually trying to get on some placements. So I mean, what I'm gonna show you here is basically just a basic lo-fi beat that you could potentially get on a Spotify playlist. I'm still kind of like working around and just kind of like fucking with things and, you know, seeing what works best. But you know, we can all learn together, right? So I think that's the whole point of this. So anyway, I made this sample right here, just basically like a keyboard Rhodes sample, with this plugin right here called Lounge Lizard. This is what it sounds like. Super slow. Wavy, super wavy. We're gonna make it even wavier. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to copy and paste this. And just to make this fit, I'm gonna time stretch it down a little bit. And it gives it actually a different feel. That's kind of sick. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off, make sure like there's nothing, no tail at the end of this, or else when you like copy and paste it, it's just gonna sound like trash, you do not want to hear. But for real, I think we got something. And then what we're going to do is we're gonna add a little flavor, a little texture. I got some rain that I recorded one day. It was super rainy here in Seattle, and I just like put my phone out the door and got this. So we are going to use that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to automate it a little bit, just kind of make it, because I'm going to take the drums out right here, and then I'm going to probably set the automation to like here. I'm going to double click this, right click the volume, and click create automation clip. First I want to, you know, put it to the right mixer track. Want to make sure. And then real quick, I'm gonna just throw some sidechain compression on the kick, or I'm sorry, on the melody, and have the kick kind of trigger that. So I link the kick to it, to the melody. Put a limiter, the fruity limiter, which you guys should have. Got that going the way I want it. And then back to the automation that we were at. Sorry to be a little scatterbrained there, but here we go. So we got the bass down. Basically what I did was I made hella tracks up on there. I got I got a Moog bass that I made out of GMS. And we're gonna add a fill. I'm gonna slow this down. Not that slow. Let's see. So I'm gonna put that on like track. I'm just gonna put it on the random track right now. I'm gonna pan, make this the other one unique, and I'm gonna pan the other one to the total opposite side, to the right side. Yeah, and then turn that down just a little bit. Okay, that is it. Super simple lo-fi beat. Really didn't need to do much. Really just the sound effects is kind of what gives it that smooth vibe. Like rain falling, birds chirping. I put this beat at the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and just stay tuned, guys. Peace.